If you want to boost the speed of your phone on Xiaomi 17, what you can do is you can go to the security app, which you can find, for example, in the app drawer. So once we open the security app, over here after a couple of seconds, once the phone scans all your files and what is active and not, then over here we should be able to tap on optimize in order to get the optimization of the phone, which is the first thing that we can do in order to speed up the phone. So as you can see here, we have the system security and other stuff that are verified in here and optimized. Afterwards, you might see some additional options, additional suggestions that you might want to use, of course, but it is not really necessary to do so. And if we go back to the main page of the security app, then in here we can also find the boost speed option. So tap on this option over here. Let's proceed. And with a single button, we can clear the cache, we can close running third-party apps, as you can see over here. If you want to exclude something, you can of course check on this check over here. You can tap on this check, to uncheck it. We can also see running system apps. So if something should be excluded from being cleared or something, or closed, then of course you can decide. Once you're ready, just tap on boost speed over here, and that is all. There we go. Once again, you might find some additional suggestions that are probably worth checking out, so be sure to do that. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.